In this video, I can tell you that how you can adjust the table in Microsoft Excel. So here is some information I have got and made the table. Now how we adjust these information. First we can select this product. Now in home section we will adjust it from clicking this middle line and mark center. This is adjusted. Now same for this one. Same for website. And same for email address. No, same for this. In this way, you select each cell and mark like this. In this way, you adjust the words in the table. Thanks for watching. Next things will be in the next video.